In the previous video, we did a calculation of the amount of carbon monoxide we could get from 70 grams of silicon dioxide, and according to this equation here. And so what we discovered is that with 70 grams of silicon dioxide, we could actually predict that we should get 65.27 grams of carbon monoxide. Okay, I erased the other one since it was excess reactant. All right, let's say we actually run this reaction with 70 grams of silicon dioxide. So let's calculate the percent yield of our product. So one of the keys that you're going to have a percent yield is we're talking about percent yield of product. Okay, so it could be one of these two things on the right of the arrow. And let's say we actually get 41.76 grams of carbon monoxide. Okay, so this is called the theoretical yield. How much you should get from calculating using theory, these gram to mole conversions and all that stuff. This is the actual yield. The actual has to be given in the problem. All right, so that's the key that you actually have a percent yield problem, besides the words percent yield kind of right in front of your face. All right, so and the percent yield is just the ratio between these two. So you take the actual amount, 41.76 grams of carbon monoxide, the product, divided by the theoretical amount of product, convert it to a percentage, and let's see what we get. Okay, 41.76 divided by 65.27, and that is 63.98%. All right, so this number will always be less than 100%. So, you know, chemists, when they run reactions, they want as much efficiency of the product as they can get. They'd like all their reactions to run 100%, but in reality, they do not. Now, this has a real practical impact because if you have a chemical synthesis of some drug that takes 20 steps, well, even a 95% efficiency for every step results in an overall efficiency that's less than 10%. And so you have to start with a whole pile of stuff. You have to purify things if there's, you know, stuff mixed in with your product, or anyhow, that's how you can kind of lose things along the way. All right, that's the idea behind percent yield. It's pretty simple. You should be able to do that. The main thing is, the hard part is calculating the theoretical yield and keeping this number straight from this number.